आई अपनी टीम का ऐलान कर रही है। सीधे इस खबर पर रुख करते हैं।
And they have accepted our request to rest him. So rest is what is required for Ashwin because the last international game also is represented for India. So that clearly shows that he is not totally unfit. He is not like others who have undergone surgery and getting rehabilitated.
Yeah, sir. Okay. Just want to ask you that, when you're selecting the squad, like extra spinner or extra batsman, was that a bone of contention, like Manish Pandey, or maybe we're playing at the Oval, maybe an extra spinner, a third spinner?
I don't know how you get this information, but because it is a seriously cause of concern. I read in your paper also saying that you're looking out at a batsman and a spinner, which is serious. In fact, it was, and let me tell you because we definitely considered the name of Kuldeep. Kuldeep would have been a surprise package, but and at the same time, we're not sure because we two premier spinners, at the cost of them, whether he'll be finding a place or not is a concern. And we still have Yuvraj Singh and Kedar who can bowl in the team. That's the reason. It's just narrowly he missed out, but we appreciate the way he's shaping up. He's one guy whom we are looking at future.
So you just touched upon the rest factor for Ashwin. I mean, is there a cause of concern for rest for somebody like Virat, who's been playing non-stop since July, or a few other bowlers? Perhaps somebody like Jadeja, who's also been playing non-stop. I mean, all of them have been playing non-stop since July.
If you remember, we have given Jadeja also some break in between. Ashwin was also given a break. We brought in youngsters like Jayant Yadav at that particular time for New Zealand series and for one-day series. So they did get enough breaks. I understand that immediately they are playing this IPL tournament. But considering Jadeja that he is extremely fit, I think he will really cope up. But as far as Ashwin is concerned, we wanted him to give a break. And again, I really thank their franchisee for having accepted our request.
A follow-up to that question, what Chetan has asked, has any request been made to Virat Kohli's franchise?
Virat,
because his team is out of contention. So,
as far as Virat is concerned, he has missed quite a few matches at the beginning of the IPL season. I think he had a fair rest also, and he didn't play the last test match, if you all remember. So I think he had his, the more he plays, it is good for us now. So
Thank you, sir.
सर, जिस तरीके से आपने कहा कि जब आप टीम चुन रहे थे, यंगस्टर्स और सीनियर प्लेयर्स का आप देख रहे थे, लेकिन सर इस टीम में यंगस्टर्स कोई नहीं है. कोई प्लेयर ऐसे हैं जो 15 साल खेल चुके हैं, कोई 10 साल खेल चुके हैं, कोई 5-7 साल खेल चुके हैं. सर यंगस्टर्स को मौका कब मिलेगा? अगर आप ऋषभ पंत जैसे प्लेयर को चुनते तो आपको लगता है एक्स फैक्टर हो सकता था ओपनिंग में. शिखर को भी जब लास्ट टाइम सीरीज में मौका मिला, 2-3 सीरीज में, उनका भी परफॉर्मेंस अच्छा नहीं था. तो मतलब कह सकते हैं सिर्फ सीनियर प्लेयर चुनेगा, यंगस्टर किसी की तरफ भी एक भी यंगस्टर नहीं है इस टीम में. सर
बुमराह यंगस्टर नहीं
सर, वो तो 3-4 साल से लगातार खेल रहे हैं.
हार्दिक पांड्या यंगस्टर नहीं है
सर 3-4 साल से खेल रहे हैं.
एक ही साल से लास्ट ऑस्ट्रेलिया सीरीज के बाद दोनों आया था टीम में. इफ यू रिमेम्बर, Hardik and Bumrah have come into Indian team just prior to the Asia Cup, T20 Asia Cup. So we've been grooming these people. Rishabh Pant, again, as far everybody will have this in mind, let me make it very clear regarding Rishabh Pant. I think we are completely impressed the way Rishabh Pant is playing. It's just some combinations where he missed out. He is one cricketer that whom we are looking at for future. He's definitely a solution for our future. So we're not much worried because there's so much of career ahead for him. We will groom him and we'll ensure that he'll also be successful in his career. So we'll groom him. We'll groom him, nurture him, and back him up.
और टीम में कोई स्पेशलिस्ट सेकंड कीपर नहीं है, तो अगर जरूरत पड़ा इसमें से दो दिन कर सकते हैं, लेकिन क्या कुछ खास प्लान आपने बनाया अगर जरूरत पड़ा?
Yes, we have standby backup ready for him.
So, it looks like a very safe team.